This is example number 7 of lesson 3, integration by substitution. So we are now going to evaluate the integral of x square root of x squared plus 1 dx. So obviously in the integrand here cannot be solved directly using the basic integration rules, so we have to use a method to make this integrable, and that's integration by substitution. So because it's substitution, we are going to introduce a new variable. So we let u be equal to, in the case here, we're going to let u be equal to x squared plus 1, so that when we find its differential, we have 2x dx. Okay, so take note that in the given here is just like writing x times x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 1/2 dx. And then we can rearrange that to x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 1/2 x dx. So from here, in our differential, we can see x dx, and we have x dx here. In our integrand, we can just replace that by, we can divide this by 2, d over 2, that becomes x dx now. So substituting, since x squared plus 1 is u, so that's u to the power of 1/2, and x dx is du over 2. So we put the constant before the integral signs, that's u to the power of 1/2 du, and so we can now integrate using basic integration rules, katong power. So we add 1 to the exponent, so 1/2 plus 1, that's 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus c. So that's 1/2 times 2/3 u to the power of 3/2 plus c, or our answer is 1/3. Bringing back to u, that's x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 3/2 plus c. And that is our answer.